Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer timing chain noise issue and what could be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Timing chain noise in the Ford Explorer is commonly described as rattling, ticking, or knocking sounds coming from the engine area, especially during cold starts, acceleration, or idle. Verified owner reports and service information show that timing chain noise concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and engine configurations, with differences depending on engine design, mileage, oil maintenance history, and operating conditions. One verified and frequently reported cause is timing chain tensioner wear or failure. As tensioners age, they may lose the ability to maintain proper chain tension, allowing the chain to move excessively and produce noise. This has been documented more often in higher mileage vehicles and during cold start conditions when oil pressure is lower. Another confirmed cause involves timing chain guide wear. Plastic or composite guides can degrade over time, especially if oil changes are delayed. Worn or damaged guides may allow the chain to contact other components, creating rattling or scraping noises. Oil-related factors are also verified contributors. Low engine oil level, incorrect oil viscosity, or oil breakdown can reduce lubrication and hydraulic tensioner performance. Owners have reported increased timing chain noise when oil maintenance is neglected or oil pressure is reduced. In certain engine designs, component layout may influence noise perception. Some Explorer engines may exhibit more noticeable timing chain noise due to chain placement or engine configuration, particularly as components age. Older generations may experience this more frequently due to long-term wear. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include sprocket wear, internal engine wear, or sensor-related misinterpretation of noise. These are considered possibilities and should be confirmed through proper diagnostic inspection rather than assumed. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include verifying engine oil level and condition, performing oil changes with the correct specification, inspecting timing chain tensioners and guides, and replacing worn components when failure is confirmed. Repair scope depends on engine type and severity of wear. Owner feedback trends indicate that early detection of timing chain noise can help prevent further engine damage, while prolonged driving with unresolved noise may increase repair complexity. Experiences vary by model year, engine configuration, and maintenance history. In conclusion, Ford Explorer timing chain noise is typically linked to tensioner wear, guide degradation, or oil-related factors, but the exact cause varies by vehicle, engine design, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.